Hi friends, welcome to another teckwrapcraft video. My name is Arlene from Decals House, and today we are going to be making a custom keychain. I am already here in the Cricut design space trying to design my keychain. It's going to be for Elena. What I did first was I went to shape and I selected a circle. Then I typed the initial, which is the letter E, and then I typed the name. Once I had the name and the initial, the circle, I went to image because I wanted to add daisies. So I'm going to type daisies here and I'm going to try to find something that I like. I think these are nice. I'm going to select these ones and I am going to add them to the canvas. Okay, now that I have the daisies and I have everything in here, I am going to change the daisies to the same colors of the letters, the circle and the initial, because I want to make just one cut. In order to change the colors of the daisies to the same color that everything else has, I have to ungroup the image and I am going to now change the colors. Once we have these, we can go to make it, and we are going to organize our cards on the mat. I have the circle, which is going to be baby pink. I am going to use white for the initial and the base of the flower, and I am going to use holographic rose gold for the name and yellow for the circles. I have to make sure that I place every single piece of vinyl where they go. Otherwise, my maker is going to make the card on the mat instead of the vinyl. Now that we have our cards, we need to remove the protective layer. Every single piece of acrylic comes with this protective layer. If you don't remove it, you won't be able to work on the acrylic. So make sure to do that before you start. You can find these acrylics on teckwrapcraft.com. And you can use my discount code, which is HAUS, HAUS. HAUS is my discount code, and you can use it for a 5% discount. I am going to place the circle on the back of the acrylic, and I am going to cut all the excess of vinyl with my X-Acto knife, and I am also going to cut the little circle of the keychain with my X-Acto knife. I will be adding resin on the top, on the front of the design. Right now, you could definitely go and add resin on the back. If I were to sell this keychain, I will definitely add resin on both sides of the keychain. I set my UV light for 60 seconds and I have seen that that works for me. And another thing I want to add is that I have used other kind of acrylics and they bend when I put them on the UV light. So this brand specifically, it doesn't bend, and you can definitely find them on teckwrapcraft.com. I found a pink tassel that I had, and I am going to use it to add it to this design. I find it looks so cute with the tassel. We are almost done, and I want to thank you for being here. Remember that you can subscribe to the channel and you can give us a thumbs up, you can share the video, and you can save it for future references. And this is the end result. Okay, friends, thank you so much for watching. This was Arlene from This Is Our House. Have a great day.